If you are a Hindi medium student and find difficulty in understanding English to English, the Hindu editorial, then I would suggest you to go through the Hindi version of this editorial. I will provide the link in the description box, and then it will be very easy for you to understand this editorial. Friends in need. So in this editorial we are going to discuss that some anti-BJP parties are planning to make a third front. Some anti-BJP parties are planning to provide an alternative to the BJP. That's why these parties that gathered and tried to make their union, or they can say that these parties that tried to organize themselves against BJP. So these parties have been called here friends in need. So all parties, it means all anti-BJP parties feel that there is a need and we should provide the alternative to the BJP. So they organized a meeting, and in that meeting they tried to form a third front. An amalgam. Amalgam means a mixture. Amalgam means a mixture of something. An amalgam of disparate. Disparate means different elements will not be a viable. Viable. This word is also, you can say that, an important word, very important word. Viable means something that can survive. If I say that my plan is not viable, it means my plan is not practical. My plan will not survive. National alternative to the BJP. Editorial says that a mixture of different political parties will not be a practical solution to provide alternative to the BJP, because there are so many parties and all these parties have different opinions. So it will be impractical. It will be impractical to survive this front against the BJP. Talk of any political realignment is unseasonal. Realignment means when you are in a group, or you are favoring some party, or you are inside a group, or you are inside a party, and it is called realignment, to form a coalition, or you can say that association. So talk of any political realignment is unseasonal. Editorial says that at present there are no elections, and in this editorial we are discussing about political realignment. When does the political realignment happen? If an election is there and the parties are trying to form the government, then the political realignment happens. But editorial says that then why the political realignment? Considering the fact, considering means taking into account, considering the fact that the next general election is due only in 2024 and the BJP is entrenched. If something is entrenched, it means it is established firmly, it is established strongly in the government. So editorial says that at present the BJP is established in the government and election will not happen till 2024. Then why are we talking about political realignment? Editorial will explain in next line. A gathering of political leaders, activists and scholars. Scholars means wise person, okay. Convene means to conduct a meeting by Trinamool Congress. So you can say that Trinamool Congress was the leader. Trinamool Congress was the leader that organized this meeting, and in that meeting political leaders and activists and scholars were called. So by Trinamool Congress leader Yashwant Sinha were leading this meeting, and this meeting happened on Tuesday. However, although was precede means something that happens before. Precede means something that happens before, by a lot of speculation. Speculation means guess. When you guess about something, it is called speculation. About the emergence. Emergence means to come out. Like we say that this star is emerging star. So it means that this star is coming out. This star is getting famous. About the emergence of a third front. So a lot of talkings were there that in this meeting there is going in this meeting a third front will be discussed, or there will be talking of third front in this meeting, and that third front will be opposed to the BJP and sidelining the Congress. So what happened in this meeting was, so many speculations were there. People were guessing that the Congress will not be included in this meeting, and in this meeting there will be an effort to make a third front against the BJP, the Rashtra Manch. So this third front has been named Rashtra Manch. Is not intended. Intention means what you want to do, है ना? That something that you want to do. Intention, है ना? If you have any wish to do something, it is your intention. Intended to be a third front according to its organizers. So the organizers of this meeting said that this Rashtra Manch is not a third front, but that doesn't mean the end of an exploratory politics ahead of 2024. Exploration. Exploration means when you try, exploration means when you try to, you can say that when you try to find the scopes, what are the scopes available to you, है ना? It is called exploration. So editorial says that maybe it is possible that the leaders of the Rashtra Manch said that this is not third front, but still editorial says that the process to explore politics is going on. In fact, most parties have reasons to think and act towards a new alternative to the BJP. So at present, almost you can say that almost every anti-BJP parties have some grounds, have some reasons, है ना? And they want the alternative to the BJP. For one, serial governance failures. In BJP regime, in BJP governance, we have seen that the BJP government has failed at many instances, and missteps have made, and BJP government has taken so many missteps, have made the current moment the most vulnerable. When you are most vulnerable, it means you are in a very weak position, you are in a very weak situation for the BJP since 2014. So BJP is in the governance since 2014, but at present due to so many steps, and the major misstep is the coronavirus, BJP couldn't handle coronavirus properly. So you can say that at present BJP is in a very weak condition. The Congress does challenge the BJP at an ideational level, but the electoral victories over it in recent months were by regional parties such as the TMC, the DMK and the left. Editorial says that okay, if we see at national level, then we find the Congress is the major, we can see that the Congress is the major opposite party to the BJP. But during the recent election we saw that these were the local parties who defeated BJP, like TMC defeated in West Bengal, DMK defeated BJP in Tamil Nadu, and the left party defeated the BJP in Kerala. While Rahul Gandhi has a principled position against the BJP, okay, it is clear, it is very obvious that Rahul Gandhi has a principled position against the BJP, है ना? So Rahul Gandhi maintains his position against the BJP, but still his vacillating role. Vacillate means when you are not strong in your opinions, you are in a wavering condition, your opinions are not firm. So that's why editorial says that Rahul Gandhi's opinions are not firm, they are not very strong within the party. And reluctance means you are not willing to do something, you don't want to do something to play the power politics. power politics means, if you play power politics, it means you want to increase your influence. So Rahul Gandhi is not interested, or you can say that he is reluctant. He doesn't want to play the power politics. He doesn't want to increase the role of Congress, make the Congress, and these factors make the Congress an uninspiring leader for other anti-BJP parties. That's why other anti-BJP parties do not consider Rahul Gandhi an inspiring leader. The role being played by Nationalist Congress Party Chief Sharad Pawar. So in this third front, NCP Chief Sharad Pawar played a major role, makes the current attempt for a new platform vigorous. Vigorous means very powerful and very strong. So editorial says that the presence of NCP Chief Sharad Pawar makes this third front very powerful. He has the dexterity. If you are dexterous in something, it means you are expert in that, you are an expert in that thing. Heft. If I say that Sharad Pawar has political heft, heft means weight. So heft means weight, heft means influence. If you have political heft, it means you have political weight, you have political influence, and the network to lead it. So editorial says that Mr. Sharad Pawar is an expert in the political field. He has, you can say that, political weight, and he has a network, and he can lead this third front. That said means, considering the above factors, there is not an easy path for this nascent. If something is in a nascent stage, it means it is in the beginning stage. If you are learning English, then you can say that you are in a nascent stage, nascent platform. So editorial says that this Rashtra Manch is in its nascent stage, or you can say that it is a nascent platform, assuming that it has ambitions, it has aspirations beyond being a debating society. If we say that this society is only debating society, it means this society does nothing, it only talks. 880 age is not on Mr. Pawar's side. Editorial says that for Mr. Sharad Pawar, his age is a negative point without an active role for the Congress. And in this Rashtra Manch, in this third front, Congress has not been included. No political formation can be viable against the BJP. Editorial says that if you want to create an alternative to the BJP, you need Congress. Without Congress, if you create an alternative, it will not be viable. Viable means it will not survive, it will not be practical against the BJP. That role and the terms of engagement between the Congress. Okay, and now if you include Congress in the Rashtra Manch, then there will be some terms of conditions between Congress and other local parties. So that role and the terms of engagement. Engagement means you want to be if you want to take part in something, but you have some terms, means you have some conditions between the Congress and other smaller parties remain open questions. So editorial says that if Congress takes part in this Rashtra Manch, then what will be the terms of conditions, what will be the terms between the Congress and other parties? It is an open question. Even among the parties that participated in the meeting, editorial says that in this meeting so many parties took part, like SP, NCP, AAP, CPIM, CPI, National Conference, Trinamool Congress. So what did we see in this meeting? Enthusiasm. Enthusiasm means energy is muted. Muted means you can say that enthusiasm is muted, means we didn't see enthusiasm, we didn't see energy in this meeting, though they sent representative. Okay, in this meeting the parties like SP, NCP, AAP, CPI, CPI, all these parties sent their representatives, but still there was a lack of energy. Mr. Pawar himself is conscious. If you are conscious of something, it means you know that thing, and you are aware of that thing. So Mr. Pawar himself is conscious of the pitfall. Pitfall means where are the problems, where are the negative aspects. So Sharad Pawar Mr. Sharad Pawar is aware of the negative aspects in this Rashtramanch. Several of these parties are adversaries of one another in states. Editorial says that the parties which are going to form this Rashtramanch are adversaries of one another in states. Adversary means opponent, means they have their relations are, you can say that they have hostility between them. So that's why it is also not possible to form a Rashtramanch, because the parties which are taking part in this Rashtramanch are opposite to each other in states. All non-BJP parties are not opening up to the idea, and for this Rashtramanch all local parties are not coming together, like at least for now, like TRS Telangana, YSRCP Andhra Pradesh, BJD Odisha. So like these parties TRS, YSRCP and BJD, these parties are not taking part in this third front in power in Telangana. So Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha respectively have a guarded approach towards national politics. So these parties TRS, YSRCP, BJD, they are very conscious. If you have guarded approach, means you are very alert and you are watching national politics, but you are not taking part in the Rashtramanch. All these factors make the emergence of a robust, means very strong, very powerful opposition to the BJP onerous. Onerous means difficult. So editorial says that if we consider all these factors, then the emergence of a powerful opposition to the BJP becomes very difficult. Politics is often shaped by circumstances. Editorial says that the political equations depend on circumstances. The BJP's unchallenged power in the last 7 years has built tensions that need to be resolved through democratic process. Okay, so many local parties feel that there is no alternative to the BJP. BJP's unchallenged power. Since last 7 years, BJP is continuously in power. So you can say that the BJP's unchallenged power has created tensions, and if you want to create an alternative to the BJP, so that solution must come from the democratic process. The recent assembly election outcomes were a reminder that parties staunchly opposed. Staunchly, if you oppose something staunchly, means you oppose that thing strongly. So staunchly means very strongly to the BJP remain popular in states. So editorial says that the result of recent assembly election, outcome means result, were a reminder that parties staunchly opposed to the BJP remain popular in states. That there are still many local parties that are very popular in the states, and the population is, and you can say that the people are voting for these local parties instead of BJP. Harnessing. If you harness something means, to harness something means to take the use of resources available. The resources available to you, if you make the most of these resources, then you are harnessing them. So harnessing a national politics from such disparate means different trends is a challenge before the opponents of the BJP. So editorial says that it is a, you can say that it is a big challenge before all the opponents of the BJP to use the, you can say that, to use different parties and to make a Rashtramanch.